There are many people who knows about the law of attraction, who knows about different tools and processes and techniques and all, but they just know it. And always remember, knowing something is not going to change your life.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Hello, Awesome Nation. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. We know the law of attraction is all about the inside thing, right? It's all about the way we start feeling inside, the way we start focusing on the inner world. And when we start feeling strong, positive, magical, awesome, phenomenal inside, our life really started becoming much more magical outside. That's what the law of attraction is all about, and that's what all the ancient scriptures, that's what all the great teachers and masters have always taught us in all through the different teachings, and it's creating really magic. So always focus on your inner side. So the most important thing that I want to share is there are many people who knows about the law of attraction, who knows about different tools and processes and techniques and all, but they just know it. And always remember, knowing something is not going to change your life. So yesterday I was checking one of my email, and I found that someone wrote to us around 3 months back, and she said like, AJ, I'm going through so many challenges and my life is not in a good mood and I'm not able to change my life, and now I found your website, I'm learning the law of attraction, and I have joined one of your free program and I want to implement it and I want to change my life. And I said, great, it's awesome. So yesterday while going through the email, I found that email, and I send her back an email that, hey, how was your life? Have you implemented everything that you learned in the free course? Have you implemented it? Are you focusing on it? Your life is really improving or not? And to my surprise, after a few hours, I got back an email where she said like she hasn't done anything, she hasn't followed anything, she hasn't practiced anything, and her life is still at the same place. Her life hasn't improved. And she asked me like, AJ, I know about the law of attraction, but why my life hasn't improved? And the answer is, you haven't done anything, you haven't changed your thought process. We cannot create a new tomorrow with the old thinking of yesterday. Unless we change the way we think, the way we feel, the way we act, the way we live our life, the way we follow different habits, unless we change all these things, how can we expect to change our life? It's impossible. Like for example, if you keep eating junk food and every day you are eating lot of junk food and your health is deteriorating, your health is started going in the negative direction, and you started having a lot of health issues, and then you expect your health to get better even without changing the food habit. You will keep eating the same food, the unhealthy food. You won't start following some healthy habits. You start going for running or yoga or workout or meditation, something. You need to start with something. You need to start with at least one thing, so that you start seeing the change. And when you start seeing the improvement happening in your life, you love it. That's where you know how magically it works. Same way, many people, they get to know about the law of attraction, they get to know about, even some of the people, they joined our free program which has so many tools and processes. And remember, thousands of people, tens of thousands of people have already changed their life using the free program itself. So those people who are manifesting or changing their life, and the people who are not manifesting, the big difference is the people who are not manifesting or their life is not improving because they are not implementing anything, they are not doing anything, and then they are expecting why my life is not changing, why the law of attraction is not changing. Because the law of attraction is responding, the universe is responding to the thoughts and feelings that is going inside you. Unless you change the thoughts and feelings, how can your life will change? So I wrote this person back that you need to focus on, you need to implement the processes, you need to go through those materials, and you need to start following them whatever way possible. Always remember, like the old saying is there, the journey of 1,000 miles start with a single step. You need to keep taking that single step every single day. You can start with implementing some affirmation, some gratitude, some meditation, some visualization, feeling good, changing your focus from all the challenges and problems, changing your focus from negativity to the positive side. And when you start doing all the magical things, that's where you started seeing magical things started happening in your life. So implementation is the key, and that's what differentiate everything. And if you don't implement it, just knowing something is not going to change your life. It's the doing, it's the implementation, it's the execution which is going to change your life. So my friend, if you know something, anything, if you just want to focus on one tool, just focus on one tool, but do it consistently, do it on a daily basis, and that's where you start seeing change happening in your life. That's the magic. That's the beauty of this attraction. That's the beauty of the manifestation. And when you start manifesting something, you love it, you feel addicted to it, you start enjoying your journey, you find more energy to implement things, and that's where magic started happening in your life. So are you committed to take the steps? Are you committed to be a person who will implement the tools and techniques? Are you committed to are you going to be that committed person who is going to manifest your dreams? Are you ready, all of you, all the awesome tribe? If you are ready, write in the comment, let me know that yes AJ, yes universe, I am ready and I am going to be consistent. I am consistent, I am implementing things, and I am creating magic. Because sometimes if you are not consistent, you have to first start changing the way you talk to yourself. Because if you keep telling yourself that I am not consistent, I am not consistent, I am not consistent, again that become a programming, that become your belief system, and then it's difficult for you to become consistent. If you want to be consistent, if you want to be positive, then you have to start changing the way you talk to yourself. You have to start telling yourself that yes, I am consistent, I can implement everything, I can do everything that I want. I am becoming positive every day and every way I'm getting better and better and better. So this is one of the simplest affirmation anyone can start using, that you can start saying that every day and every way my life is getting better. Every day and every way my life is getting better. Every day and every way my life is getting better. So when you start saying this to yourself, you start getting, you start focusing on your journey, you start becoming more positive, your energy start getting aligned, and that's where you start manifesting things happening in your life. That's where you start flowing in the right direction. That's where magic started happening. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many more things you can do. There are so many more processes, more tools, more ways you can change your life. But one thing, consistent is the key. So change the voice within you. Talk to yourself in a different way. Talk to yourself. Let yourself know that you are consistent, you are positive, you are strong, you are aligned. And that's where the magic started happening in your life. Like so many of you who are doing this guided meditation on a regular basis, all of you feeling more positive energy, more inner shift, experiencing more inner shift than all those people who do once in a while. Are you agree? I'm sure all of you are very much agreed to this, that yes, when you are doing it on a regular basis, your energy is high, right? Yes. So there are people who are on our awesome tribe and who are very consistent. They keep doing it on a regular basis, and they are seeing more shift happening in their inner self. They are seeing more shift happening in their vibration. So that's what you need to do. That yes, I am ready. I am consistent. I'm focused. I am moving in the right direction, and do whatever possible. Don't just do one or two processes when you think about your dream and then forget it for a week or 15 days, and then you realize that okay, I'm not doing anything and I need to do this. That way things are not going to change very fast. Things will improve, but very slowly.